Hello. In this series of video, I will do the fall challenge 2023 from Codingame, which opened a few days ago. My goal is to again start from scratch and go if I can to the bronze league. I want to do more than 2 videos this time, and I will stop when I'm bronze or when I'm at the end of the second video. So here's the challenge. It's pretty. We have to catch fishes. I won't read the rules completely. I hope you have done so, or you will do on your own time. I already play with my main account, so I took another one so that I start from scratch. So here's the code. There's a lot of input, and you see here we may have more than one drone, which is this little thing, and we have to output a command which can be wait, move XY with a light to 1 or 0. The light is this. The fact that we can reach more surface with when putting our light on. So as always, I've prepared. Okay, it's not compiling. Why? Okay, I hope it will be okay. I've prepared a project, Maven project. I put some libs to do test, Java 17, and okay. Oh yeah, I don't have a player class. Always create a player class. Okay, main. Okay, now is it okay? Okay. Let's see, Codingame. Okay, the player class for Codingame is generated, so it's okay. But my class is empty. So I take all the code. May have forgot. Okay. Okay, so now I have all the code from Codingame, and I will. Okay, I still use the plugin to upload my code. Change the file. Let's see. Where is it? Target Codingame player. Okay. So now I should have my generated class in Codingame IDE, and I can play my code just to check I don't have a problem already. Okay, seems like the one before. I have no crash, I have no problem in my commands, so it's okay. So now I go back to Eclipse, and when I will be happy with my code, I would be able to send it to Codingame doing Maven install. So the first thing I have to do, I will go into the project to focus on the code. The first thing I do is create a class which is the state. So it represents what is the state of the game. Here you see that there is an init phase where Codingame sends the creature count with some information, and then the main loop, which is the what input we will get at each turn. So in my state, I will do maybe I will do the other way around. I will do static. No, I will. I will create a player and play. Okay, I create. I don't like to have a static part in my code. So I have a problem. Okay, and in play I do that. Okay, this one, and I think it's okay. Okay, so just to avoid having a static part in my player. So I create a state. It's empty class. And now I will replace each part where we read the inputs and transfer it in my state class. So I have the first part is static, read init. I have to take it, okay, and create the method and put it inside. Okay, and next is the non-static part. It's this one. I create a new method and I put it here. Okay, now I don't have my drone count, so I will put this way. Okay, I will create. For now, we have only one drone, so I create the field. I want it, and I will put one into. Okay, so I will build the project and test in Codingame to see if I'm still okay. I have to check where is it. Check that it is uploaded and replaying the same conditions. So I changed nothing except order in the code, so I want to see something that looks like this. Okay, seems okay. And now let's go for the next part. What I can do is not that I can already extract this one in AI. So I will create a new class. Okay, and what I want is AI.think. I pass the state and the AI will output. Yeah. Okay, let's do the responsibility to output the commands to the AI. So now my player class is almost empty, and I won't look back at it. We'll close everything. So now my state. Here I read a number of creatures, so I will keep it into field. It's a static, okay, and for each creature I got the ID, the color, and the type. What I will do is keep this information in arrays. So it's a pretty good start. So it's static. I will do an array of int with colors. Colors mean nothing at the moment. I think we have the okay. Creature counts is 12. So let's do yes, it's 12, but I think it don't start to 1, start to 2. So I will take some margin And the second one, okay, is the type. Alors, I will call it F for fish, fish color, fish types. And what I will do here is keep in colors of creature ID color. I've already done it, so I know what I want. Okay. Next, we have two scores. For now, I'm not sure it's important. Scans is what can I do that? Scan is here the fishes we already scan. To scan a fish, you have to go near it in your light radius, and you have to go back to the surface. So when you do that, your fish will appear in the scan part. For now, it's not important. Then we have the drones. Drones are the agent we will move in the game. Then another scan, which is the current scan of the fish. Maybe I can here. Here I have. Okay, I don't have to. In this league, I don't have to go back to the surface. Okay, I forgot that. So as soon as you scan the fish, you will it will go into the scan global scan. Next, we have the visible creature. I don't know what it is, but as soon as it's visible for you, you will scan it. And the last part, which is important, is the radar blip count. And radar blips are something to look where the fishes are relative to you. It's not explained. Okay. Okay. I don't. So maybe in the first league there was no. All the fishes are visible. So we will have this one. So next class, I need a position to keep track of where things are. So I will create it really naively, and we have drones. I think I will create a drone, and still no class in the position. I will create a drone class and a fish class. So state is here. I will do drone, and this way. Okay, I will pass all the values. Okay, and I create the constructor. So drone ID will go to a new field. Oops. Yes, it's not drone ID, it's ID in the context of drone. And my parameter is public. I will need a position. So x equal drone x. This drone y. And emergency and battery. New field and new field. Okay, still public. Okay, so now I have my drone. Maybe well, I'll just see later if I need more information. For the other player, I need a drone 2, and I need some lists. So I will to my drones.add. In fact, I don't think I need a drone for the enemy. So I have a list of drones with my drones. Okay, as I read, and I have to clear my list because I create a new drones every time I read. So now I have the position of my drones here, and now I have to keep the position of the fishes. So here I will do fish, yeah, new fish, and the same creature ID, creature X, creature Y, and I think it's enough. And in fishes I will add the fish. Create constructor. Okay, and a position too. And post.x, x, post.y. It's a lot of setup, but I think it will be we'll get the reward very soon. Cheese. Oops. Okay, and as my drones, I have to clear the fishes at the start of the turn. Okay, so now I've got the fishes, I've got my drones, which is 1, and I will do something in the AI. Can I do? I can loop over the list of fishes and go to the nearest one that I don't have already. So for fish into state fishes, I have to find the closest one. So I have to take my drone. So now I have only one drone. I take the fish and I go to the closest one. Always the same. I will take an int for now. Best dist integer dot max value. Okay, so I have to check the dist. Fish.pos dist to drone.pos. I have to create this method. O for other and x. Well, you can do a mistake. Copy paste. Okay, I don't need the square root to check the distances, but I will take it anyway. I don't have a perf problem for now. So I get the dist. If dist is lower than our best dist is not our dist, and let's say best fish is our fish. So I need a best fish, best fish, null by default, and then I say here if best fish is not null, I will go to this fish, else I will wait. I have no loop for my drones now because I have only one drone, and here I have to output a move with x and y, so it will be the best fish dot x dot post dot x and the best fish test this, the best fish.post.y, and let's say for now we don't light. Okay. Okay, let's try this. I know there is already a problem, but I just want to see it go. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay. Replay. Maybe I change. Okay. 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 So here is the problem that I speak just a few minutes before. We don't check that we already have the fish. So if it's the closest one, we take it. So we have to put something in our loop to avoid the fishes we already have. So I would say if state let's call it as a fish already, fish.id. So if I already have the fish with this ID, which I don't want to call ID but ID, I continue. So I go to the next fish. So creating this method, I need to know if I already have the fish. So it's here. We have a list of creature ID. So I will call it my scans creature ID. My scan is a field, which is a list not of drawn but of integer, and a list could have put a set, but it's sufficient to have the list. And now okay, everything is okay. So now when I already have the fish in my inventory, I won't try to go after him anymore. So let's see. It's a lot of preparation. I still lose. Okay. What is going on now? Oh, I forgot the more important thing. The most important thing, my scans dot contains ID. Okay. That's like a unit test. you think about it. You want to go to the yellow one, but not follow him. So I see I still follow him. Okay, so now I go to the closest one each way and I win. So I can test in the area. I don't know how much time it will take to go. Good sign. We win all our matches. So what can I upgrade to prepare for the next maybe I can do up drones. I'm not sure I need it. The drone scan count, I think it will be the next step. We will have to go up to send back our fishes. So maybe it will be interesting to have this. I have the drone ID. Here I have a drone ID, but in my list they are not the same ID. If I do my drones dot get of drone ID, I will have a problem. So I can do that. I will do an array of drone drones, call it all drones. It's a drone 4. I put 4 because in Bronze League we have 2 drones, so it's 4 drones in total. And when I read my drone, okay, I will add in my drone list and all drones of ID. False drone. Now that I've done that, I can read opponent drones. Drone ID equal drone. Okay, it's okay. And so when I read my scan, I have my drone, I have my creature, I have the creature I have. So I will do all drones of drone ID, add creature ID. Okay, and I have to create this method, and it's a public list of integer. I got the fish later, so I can't have fish. Okay, so let's say scans. Let's call it cut this way. Up, and so scans.add creature ID, and I think I will need this. Oh, yeah. Return scans.contains creature ID. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, a loss. Okay, we will go to the next league, surely. But I hope shortly too. 21. Okay, we have some loss. Why? Okay. Okay, so maybe I'm trying to. Maybe we should go to the fishes in the bottom of the sea earn more points than the one at the top. So maybe we have to focus on the lower part of the map in first, and then go up. So maybe our score based on this is not the best one, but it's okay now. Okay, we beat the boss. Okay, so the games are finished, and now after the ranking stabilization, we will get to the next league. It's done. So now we play in the darkness, and we don't see any fish unless they are in our light radius. So our code will not work anymore because we wait if we don't find a fish. Okay, we wait. Waiting is going down slowly. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. We need to go up now because here I see I have a fish. The blue fish is in my scans, but I still follow him, so it's not in the main score. So I have to use the drone scans in my AI. What do I want to say? I have to avoid following the fishes that I already have in my scan. So it's okay. That's that's what I coded when the summit was going on. So here I have the fish ID and I continue. So if I already have the fish in my inventory, I will continue. But now I will have a problem. It's that I have to go up to get the points. Oops, changing league. Okay, I have to refresh. Okay, now I go up. With this bug, I still manage to have a comfortable rank. So what is it? Okay. Oh, what is that? What is going on? Okay, so I wait and I put the light on. Okay. Okay, I got the fish, but as I don't see any of the fishes here, my code don't see one unless it's in the light radius. When it's in the light radius, I scan it, so I won't chase it anymore, and so I wait, and I'll go to the bottom of the sea, and now I have to do something because the points are at the end. It takes the point, but I need to be clever to get something. So it's I think still a lot of stuff. I will go for the next video, but for now I stop here, and we will take it to the next level, the next video. Goodbye.